Her teenage writings, from Lady Susan to Love and Friendship, show us a window into Jane's early experimentation with literary devices and themes that appear in her later fiction. As someone who teaches Jane Austen at the college level, I am so excited to continue to grow in my understanding of Jane Austen as a writer. Right now, I'm teaching Sense and Sensibility, and it's interesting to note that Jane initially started writing this novel when she was still a teenager at the age of 19. The predecessor, or the earliest version of Sense and Sensibility, was this short story that she wrote maybe in 1795 that was entitled Eleanor and Marianne. So, along with reading her unpublished teenage writings, we'll be learning more about Jane's childhood and her entry point into becoming a novelist. We've got a great lineup of speakers and experts on Austen's juvenilia, discussion groups and activities to help us understand these teenage writings even better. And as usual, a real congenial environment filled with people who just love to read and talk about Jane Austen. We hope you'll join us.